Excellency, it is an honor and a thing of pride to stand before you here today that the 2025 Appropriation Bill number 1 is being given assent by your humble self. Your Excellency, in 2024, we witnessed unprecedented growth in River State in various sectors, whether it is in infrastructural development, health, education, social welfare, security. Your Excellency, you have become a beacon of hope to the common man on the street. Your Excellency, the people of River State are indeed very happy with your style of leadership. Your Excellency, some days ago, there was statewide jubilation on the streets of River State because civil servants received a token of 100,000 Naira each as Christmas bonus. Your Excellency, this is not the first time you have initiated this very laudable and humane gesture. Your Excellency, you also did same last year. Your Excellency, you went further to approve 85,000 Naira minimum benchmark for salaries of civil servants in River State. Your Excellency, if you show me a prolific leader, I will show you Sir Siminalayi Fubara, Governor. Your Excellency, 2025 promises to be a year of strategic planning and partnership. Your Excellency, we have no doubt that you will carry out the task of developing and delivering the dividends of democracy to every nook and cranny in River State. So, Your Excellency, on behalf of the 10th River State House of Assembly, Your Excellency, we want to say thank you for being the people's governor. And thank you for the strategic partnership with the legislature.
Gentlemen, let me first thank the River State House of Assembly for doing a very diligent job and also realizing that what we have ahead of us is to continue to work for Rivers people. So I want to thank you for working very, very hard and ensuring that we hit the ground running in this new year. I want to say this, maybe for some persons somewhere who are still mixing up issues. We have only one assembly, and that assembly is headed by Right the Honorable Victor Oko-Jumbo. A group of friends, they they embarked on what they call Simba's journey. Halfway the vessel, while they were coasting, they now realized that they were entering inside the den of devil and sharks. They now retrieved. It is too late. It is too late. And the truth about it, we're not going back. We've given them enough room. As it stands now, our major target is the interest of Rivers State and to continue to defend the integrity of governance. So as long as I'm concerned, we have moved on. Let me thank everyone who has made this very possible. We made a promise to you that we'll continue to keep the interests of Rivers first. So now that this bill has been signed, I can assure you that every projection in it, we will make sure that we kickstart it. So that the record of performance that was accorded this administration in the year 2024 will be higher in this year. Let me thank my management team, that is my ESCO, for all the support, more especially my deputy, and everyone, Commissioner for Finance, Budget, and the Internal Revenue, Acting Internal Revenue Chairman, for the wonderful job they did last year. We expect you to do more because we'll have a bigger task ahead of us. We have made some promises to our people, education, health, and agriculture. We must make sure we make good impact, just like we've done in the areas of road and other aspects of the economy. Let me on this note thank everyone. Wish you a happy new year, prosperous year ahead of us as we continue the journey of making Rivers State great again.
Your Excellency, 2025 promises a year of exponential growth in Rivers State. Thank you very much, and God bless you, Your Excellency.
Don't